Hey guys, how's it going? In this video, I will be showing you how to bulk delete stickers on WhatsApp. I know if you're like me, you've had stickers from like way back when stickers was really a thing when it first came out, and you saved a lot of stickers. And now anytime you go to stickers, you see tons of stickers there and you don't want to keep them anymore. This is actually how to delete stickers in an instant, and this works for the WhatsApp web and also on the mobile app as well. It doesn't matter if you're using WhatsApp business or the personal WhatsApp app. It doesn't matter. Let me walk you through how to bulk delete your WhatsApp stickers. Let's go. So this is my WhatsApp. This is basically a chat on my WhatsApp. Of course, if you want to go to your stickers, you just tap on the text box, click on this sticker icon. So these are my stickers. These are basically the stickers I use daily on a regular. I want to delete some of them. I no longer want to use them. So all you have to do is click on this small pencil icon. And of course, as you already know, you are expected to update your WhatsApp if your WhatsApp is not updated. So if your WhatsApp is not updated or you cannot find this pencil icon, then please go to Play Store or App Store or wherever it is you download WhatsApp from and download the latest version of WhatsApp. Now, after you have done that and you're logged in and everything, then click on the icon. From here, you can actually add a new sticker by clicking on this sticker icon. You can do a lot of things really, but what I do want to do here, see, you can select stickers. You can click on this to move them to the top. So when you click here and you select 1, 2, 3, if you click on this arrow, you'll be moving the sticker to the top. If you click on this one, you'll be adding the sticker to a sticker pack, or you'll be pretty much create a name to form a sticker pack. And then if you click on this delete icon, you'll be deleting the sticker. So these are the stickers I want to delete right now. I want to delete this one. I also want to delete let me see, also this one. There are so many stickers. Like if I go all the way down here, I have tons of stickers, tons of them, so many. This one is a violent sticker. I'm not a fan of violent stickers anymore. Of course there are still some that I want to keep, but again, there are some that I want to delete. So I'm just going to go ahead and delete some of these stickers. Once you've selected the ones you want to delete, even if it's everything, you can go ahead and select everything. And once you've selected all the ones you want to delete, you can click on this delete icon here, and boom, it will pretty much remove the sticker. So that's how you do it. You can go all the way down your sticker if you have tons of stickers, and you can delete all the stickers you no longer need or use. And of course, before I go, don't forget there is a create sticker icon here that lets you turn any image to a sticker. So you don't need another app out there. You don't need to download a new app to create stickers. And this also is available on the WhatsApp web on your browser. If you want to use the WhatsApp desktop app or the browser app, you can create stickers, or you can just do it from your mobile phone. You don't need an additional app. So that's the update I have for you guys. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and like this video. Let me know what you think. I'll see you around. Bye.